think the biggest challenge is to make sure that we, I mean internally at least at VDA, to make sure that we don't get bourgeois again. It's very clear that the old times are not going to come back in terms of sitting and waiting for clients to show up, etc. I think we've been able to change mentalities, and I think we were very, very successful in turning from incumbents to challengers. So we moved the approach that everyone has. I think that my main concern and a big challenge is to make sure that this mentality remains in place in the years to come. Well, it's a bit of everything. First of all, you got to keep talking to partners. You've got to keep demonstrating to them that the market has changed. I think they feel that on a day-to-day basis, and just bringing people on into the discussion, and aligning the incentives as well to make sure that they're incentivized to think that way. Well, I can't tell about the others. We did something at our firm, which was to look into what happened in the last 5 or 6 years and try to understand why we came out of this so successfully. So I think we've identified a number of reasons why. I'm not going to go through them, but again, making sure that those nuts and bolts are there and remain in place, I think it's crucial for the times ahead. This now is a market of challengers, right? We're all fighting for the same work, for the same clients. There are no incumbents there anymore. I think that what we need to do is that in challenging our clients and our competitors, we need to make sure that we get the first mover advantage, that we're the first in opening up new sectors and bringing up new products in terms of innovation, things like that, to make sure that we're ahead of the pack. That's crucial. A lot's going to happen in terms of technology, but I think we need to think a bit further ahead than what we discussed just a while ago. I think that if you look in 5 to 10 years into the future, I think you're discussing artificial intelligence, whole new processes in the relationship that we have with the clients, working with the clients, but also in terms of the way we organize ourselves internally. So it's not just about knowledge management and all that old stuff. I think it's about more than that.